Here we come to the elevator at JCPenney at Meyerland Plaza in Houston, Texas. This is a 2024 updated visit. It's already here. I remember this elevator from a long time ago. Oh, re-leveled. That motor literally beats the Dillards at Memorial City Mall. The motor sound, that sick motor sounded exactly like the Kone elevator at Dillard's Memorial City Mall. This elevator definitely beats the one at Dillard's at Memorial City Mall. Here we go. All right, let's go back down to one end there. Anyways, I'm not going to do the elevators at HEB because those are nothing exciting, and I'm also on a time crunch too. So these are one of the only elevators I'm going to film here at Meyerland Plaza. And if you remember my older videos, I rode this elevator as a kid, and the first time I came here back a long time ago, this elevator was insanely busy. Like, lots of people were getting on. But anyways, I'm going to stop the camera because there's music playing, but thanks for watching. That'll be it.